Businesses throughout their journey can often be unsure whether to turn left or right. They'll often hit a bump in the road and need cash over and above their current facilities. Sometimes the cash might be for growth. Other times it might be because the business is going through a challenging period. All we know is that every business will reach a crossroad. And when they do, there can often be a need for financial support. It isn't always just cash that a business needs, but an arm around the shoulder. Someone to offer valuable guidance on the next stage of growth and the business's strategic direction. That's why we created the Equity Match service. A network of carefully chosen high net worth individuals, family offices and smaller private equity firms that have all expressed a desire to impart their business acumen and experience to help businesses within a wide range of sectors to prosper. All the investors are flexible and can offer a variety of equity solutions, ranging from minority to majority, hands-on support to a simple injection of cash. Typically between £100,000 to £2 million for growth, stressed or even distressed situations. We'll speak to you personally so that we fully understand your requirements and match you with an investor that will best meet your business needs, both in terms of the size of the investment, but also in terms of personalities, aspirations and goals, as we know this is just as important for taking the business forward. Equity Match is a free service, and we'd be delighted to speak with any business owner who wants to explore the option of finding a suitable partner. If you think that Equity Match can help you along your journey, contact us for an initial discussion.